Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC9 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You may also want to have a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC9 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered off. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the unit. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now you should see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. A clean workspace will help ensure that your vacuum operates efficiently after the repair. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. This usually involves unclipping a connector. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about any part of the process. Once the motor is disconnected, you can remove it from the housing. Take note of how the motor is positioned, as you will need to install the new motor in the same orientation. If you have a replacement motor, now is the time to install it. Simply reverse the disconnection process, ensuring that all connections are secure. After the new motor is in place, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the motor. Remove the old filter and dispose of it properly. Insert the new filter, ensuring it fits snugly in place. This is crucial for maintaining optimal suction and performance. Before reassembling the vacuum, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any surfaces, ensuring that there is no dust left behind. This will help prolong the life of your vacuum cleaner. Now it's time to reattach the cover. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your vacuum issues. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson DC9 back in. Turn it on to test the new motor and filter. You should notice an improvement in suction and overall performance. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. Thank you for following this guide and enjoy your revitalized Dyson DC9. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.